My name's Keith. I learned how to cook because I was hungry. Been in the kitchen since I was 12. It's a lot of fun. We're gonna make a few things. You guys are all familiar with gazpacho, but this is another Spanish soup that's thickened with bread. So it's raw garlic, tomato, and bread. Just prepping this up a little bit, put a blender to it, and we'll get to you all drinking a little bit of soup. A nice olive oil, a nice little bit of olive oil, and that emulsifies with the tomatoes, or the acid from the tomatoes. You know how like if you make a vinaigrette, you shake it really well or you blend it, it all gets all creamy and stuff. That's what we're doing with the olive oil here with the bread and the tomatoes. Gonna need a little salt. You want it to be well pureed. I'm gonna try it with a piece of bread. Make sure the salt's on. Super creamy consistency. Tell me if the salt's okay on that.
Your tomatoes and cucumbers. I don't know.
Maybe a touch more. So the raw garlic gives it that kick, you know? And there's only like 3 cloves of raw garlic in the whole thing. Cool. So, super fast. People love it. You can put peppers in here too. You can put almonds if you wanted to. You can thicken up with whatever you like. But bread, tomatoes, and olive oil is really the base of this dish. And garlic.